How's it going, YouTube? This is Everything is Tech here, and in this video we're going to be covering the Fifine Wireless Microphone System. Before we get into the video, just want to give a huge shout out to the company themselves for allowing me to actually get a demo product and review it for you guys. So with that being said, we're going to be looking at the high-level overview of the microphone, what it comes with, the contents, the design, and most importantly, the sound quality and the price. So right off the bat, the biggest selling point with this microphone is its price. It's priced at anywhere from 50 to 60 US dollars. And what it comes with is just phenomenal. When taking a look at the unboxing, you can see that you get two receivers, you get a headset piece microphone, as well as a clip-on microphone. So that's two microphones there. But just keep in mind, before you use the microphone, you do need two AA batteries and two AAA batteries. One set for the receiver and then one set for the transmitter. So taking a look at the design of the whole system, let's look at the transmitter and receiver. So both are made out of plastic, so there's nothing too great here. But the system is really easy to use, which is what I really like about it. So once you have the batteries in the transmitter, you get to click and hold the on button, and within a few seconds the transmitter turns on and you can see the LCD display. The cool thing about this is the transmitter actually has 20 different channels, so you can actually theoretically have 20 different receivers. Also, taking a look at the back of the transmitter, you also have a belt clip, so you can actually put this on the waist of your pants. And finally, on the top of the transmitter is where you plug in your microphone, whether you decide to use a clip-on or the headpiece set. Looking at your receiver, this is a lot more plain compared to the transmitter, but again, made of the same material, so nothing different. And the top of the receiver is the input for where you will connect this receiver to either your camera or your cell phone. Taking a look at the clip-on microphone, this is probably my favorite feature of the whole system set. Again, the design complements the transmitter and receiver, so nothing crazy there, but just having a clip-on microphone, I never had one in the past, and just on how the quality performs on this is pretty awesome, especially for the price. And then looking at the headset piece, again, nothing crazy or out of the ordinary. The design itself, again, complements the transmitter and receiver, so nothing different here either. The only thing that kind of bugs me a bit with the headset piece is that I wish the wire was actually just facing out downwards rather than just being outwards. So sometimes you'll see that when wearing the headset piece, it can get in the way of your actual microphone. But to be honest, it's not that big of a deal and you'll get used to it. So having a chance to look at the design, again, nothing crazy. You gotta remember, you're spending 50 to 60 US dollars, which isn't that much money when you compare it to a lot of the other microphones out on the market. But overall, the design is alright. Obviously, the transmitter and receiver are made out of plastic, so you have to keep that in mind. But when it comes to actually just using the devices and all that good stuff, I haven't found any issues, so that's definitely a plus point. But now the most important question is probably how the sound quality is on the microphone. So with my experience, I've had a chance to use this microphone for a bit now, and I think the clip-on microphone is definitely the better microphone, or at least I've had more positive results with the clip-on versus the headpiece. And to be quite honest, if I'm using this system, it's mostly going to be for the clip-on microphone, because I honestly just love it. It's versatile, and to make other types of reviews or to talk in it, it's just convenient to have it. Let's go ahead and take a listen to what the sound quality is on the clip-on microphone and how it sounds. Hey guys, so now I'm using the clip-on microphone. It's about a couple inches away from my mouth, clipped onto my shirt. So hopefully you get a feel for how good the sound quality is on the microphone compared to the headpiece, which you'll listen to in a bit, and my DSLR internal microphone. So having a chance to hear that, let's go ahead and take a listen to the headpiece microphone and see how that sounds compared to the clip-on. So now I'm using the headpiece microphone, and this is again a couple inches away from my face, probably a little bit closer than the clip-on microphone. So hopefully you guys get a chance to hear how the audio quality is on the headpiece portion of the microphone. And now let's go ahead and take a really quick listen to what my Canon 5D Mark II DSLR sound quality sounds, so that way you can kind of compare the qualities of the different microphones. So now we've switched over to my Canon 5D Mark II internal microphone, and hopefully you guys can probably tell right off the bat the difference in the quality. Of course, the Canon 5D microphone probably sounds more choppy. So after hearing all these different sound clips, I'm sure you can kind of come to the conclusion that the microphone actually does do a good job. Both the clip-on and headpiece microphones definitely record audio at a better quality compared to my Canon 5D Mark II. One of the cool points about this microphone as well, given that it's wireless, is that you can actually be up to 65 feet away from the receiver having the transmitter on you and still be able to record clear audio. And like I mentioned earlier, you can actually connect this microphone system to different speakers, instruments like guitars, amplifiers, phones, and even DSLR cameras. So it's really versatile in that sense. And so given the versatility and flexibility of the system, you can kind of use this in almost any setting that requires sound recording. So if you're doing car reviews or presentations, this microphone system would be perfect for you. I myself definitely plan to use this microphone during different presentations to record my audio, so I'm really looking forward to using the clip-on microphone more extensively. So with all of these things being considered, think about what you're getting with this system. You're paying about $50 to $60 US, and you're getting a very versatile microphone that, although yeah, the design isn't the best, the microphone, the versatility, the flexibility that it offers is awesome. Again, the wireless aspect is awesome. Having the ability to use either the headpiece or the clip-on microphones is awesome. And if you actually find yourself needing better microphones, you can always upgrade the microphones and get another company microphone and use the transmitter and receiver with that microphone. So once again, I would definitely recommend this microphone system, especially because of the price point. The price range of $50 to $60 US actually makes this a very enticing product for what it actually has to offer. So I hope this video was helpful in making a decision and kind of learning more about this product. If you liked the video, please go ahead and like the video, and also stay tuned by subscribing and clicking the bell notification so you're up to date on all my new videos. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be back for the next video. See you guys soon.